Welcome to this demonstration of using Runecast Analyzer to perform an upgrade simulation to a vSphere environment. My name is John Arrasjid, and I will take you through this demonstration. First, we'll start at the Runecast Analyzer main page. We'll choose to focus on one particular vCenter server and its associated ESXi servers. We then select Hardware Compatibility Mode. Without running the simulation, we can see that all of the hardware and the software for these ESXi servers are in compliance. What we're going to do is select the filter for Vega VC67 and its ESX servers. We'll then turn on ESXi compatibility simulation and choose ESXi 6.7 Update 3 for the simulation. And if I click on the Simulate button, it'll start the simulation. Here we can see there are issues with all three of the ESXi servers. Let's delve deeper by looking at the first server. Here we can see that there's no issue on the server or I/O devices side specifically, but there is an issue with the vSAN devices. Let's click on this tab and let's expand on it. Here we can see that there's an issue with the firmware driver version 6.6 being not compatible with ESXi 6.7 Update 3. To see further details, we can click on this button, this icon here, to see the hardware compatibility list online on the VMware site. And here we can see all the compatible drivers and firmware for use in the different versions of ESXi 6.7